welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking Platanos Maduros. Platanos Maduros is a very traditional side dish from all around the world and that Latino dishes use. But one of the biggest things about Plátano Maduro is that here in the States, they get pretty much forced to be ripe. They have to be cut before they're ripe to be transported over here. So a lot of times we get, blackened plátanos or just plátanos that just never get sweet because it's never the same. They have to be cut before time. So I have this trick that my grandmother showed me, and I can't wait to show you guys, and also just show you a technique on how to cut these plátanos, how to make them just really delicious and sweet, and you can enjoy them on any meal, or you can enjoy them by themselves. Honestly, we love plátanos, so we like to eat them at any time throughout the day. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please leave any comments on any kind of dishes that you guys want to know about. Thank you.
Listos to make some extra delicious plátanos. We will need some ripe plátanos. Like I mentioned, these plátanos get cut before being fully ripe. You will see they get black, which is a sign they should be sweet. Next thing we'll need is sugar. I'm using vegetable oil. You could use sunflower or aguacate oil if you like. Okay, so what we need is a nice sharp knife, and we're going to start cutting the edges. Now, as you see, you need to just cut the plátano right in the middle. And then you're going to peel that skin off. Now, it's very important not to throw these plátano skins away. These at the end will become the casita for these plátanos. Now you continue just cutting the rest of your edges and taking off that skin. Now I'm going to show you guys a technique on how to hold the plátano. You're going to put it in the palm of your hand. You're going to use your thumb in order to hold the plátano. You're going to be cutting the plátano in 3 parts. Just go ahead and hold your plátano and bring your knife all the way down. When you're close to the end of the plátano, you can bring it down and just bring it all the way down. Now you really want to be careful with this technique because you kind of have to have some practice. You don't want to get yourself cut at all. You can always just put it down on the cutting board when you're getting close to that end and help it. Now there's another technique that you can always use. You can just put the plátano down on the cutting board and just pretty much slice it in 3 parts. Alright, now we're ready to put this in our pan. We're going to be adding 1/4 cup of oil. And now we're going to be turning up our heat at a medium-high heat. You're going to want to give it about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, as you can see, the oil is nice and hot. Now it's time to add the sugar. I add a tablespoon of sugar. You can add a little bit more or less, whatever you like. Specifically, I'm using is a raw cane sugar. I like this sugar You can use regular sugar. It's just more refined sugar, so it will dissolve and heat up much quicker than this sugar. You just want to go ahead and sprinkle it all around your pan. While this is heating up, I'm gonna get a plate and also some foil and a piece of wax paper. And the reason you want to grab these because the foil is going to help keep everything warm, and then the wax paper is going to help absorb that oil. As you can see now, the sugar is pretty much dissolving in front of you. So now at this point, when it's starting to dissolve, you want to go ahead and bring the heat down to a medium heat. Just want to continue adding all your plátanos into this nice hot bath. Now, as you can see, you just want to add all your plátanos in. As you can see, they're starting to bubble around the edges, and that means they're getting closer, but doesn't quite mean that they're ready to be turned. As you can see, if you turn it, it's still pale on the other side, so it's important to keep them there for about 2 to 3 minutes per side in order to turn these plátanos around. And you know they're ready when that house starts smelling like plátanos. And now you're just gonna grab it and you're just gonna do a quick little shake on your plátano. Alright, so now we're done. As you can see now, the sugar has coated this plátano all around, which it gives it a nice, sweet, delish taste to it. And now we need to make a casita for our plátanos. And this is how you make plátanos a sweeter, delish way. If you have any platillos that you would like to see, please make a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe.